Former SEC Chairman Jay Clayton said on TV today that the Bitcoin ETF, the spot Bitcoin ETF, should be approved. The difference in efficiency and regulation between the futures market and the spot market is diminishing. The Bitcoin spot ETF should be approved. Let's have a look. Here are his words.
So there's not that delta in regulation, not that delta in what I could say efficacy, the spot should be approved. That's the argument.
When? If you watch with interest as blue chip firms have decided that they want to get involved with Bitcoin or crypto?
Well, give me a minute. It's a fascinating etymology. Let's go back to like 2015, 16. This is an offshore, retail, nothing close to what I would say the core of our financial markets. At that time, if you look at trading of Bitcoin, the emergence of Bitcoin, it looked like stocks, but it was nothing like it. Now we've seen a development all the way to the point where companies whose reputation in the market matters are saying, you know what, we think that trading, we think that the custody, we think that those protections around this market are sufficient that we're willing to put our name on it and offer that product. That's actually an incredible development, not one that I expected. I was very skeptical of trading in the Bitcoin market when I was SEC chair. I thought, there were studies that 90% of it was wash trading, ripe for manipulation and the like, large people dumping. The fact that we have these institutions that know markets better than anybody and are saying, we're going to put our reputation behind it, I find that pretty remarkable.
Can they say no to a spot ETF?
Well,
for how much longer?
Well, it goes to that issue. I think that when the SEC approved the futures-based ETF, they said, let's look at the futures market. We see the surveillance. We see the protections in that market for the end investor that are sufficient. We don't see them in the spot market, so we're going to make that distinction. I think what the institutions are arguing is that those distinctions have gone away, and now the spot product is actually less drag, more efficient for the investor. So if there's not that delta in regulation, not that delta in what I could say efficacy, the spot should be approved. That's the argument that's going on right now. Look, the regulatory process, whether it doesn't matter.
It's been a while already.
It's been a while already. What I would say is this: if they're right, that you can demonstrate that the spot market has similar efficacy to the futures market, it would be hard to resist approving a Bitcoin ETF. It would be hard to resist approving a Bitcoin ETF. The spot should be approved.
So again, those words come from Jay Clayton, who used to be the chairman of the SEC and who also used to be critical of Bitcoin. But it looks like the SEC is also looking at the reputation of the applicant. He directly said in that interview that the reputation of these big firms also matter. So let's see where this is going long term. Let's discuss this in Telegram. Feel free to join us. Simply search for Bitcoin Strategy channel within the Telegram app. You can also click on the link down below. Looking forward to chatting with you. Bye-bye.